How to find shortcut settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find shortcut settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings, and then go down and you will find here shortcuts. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage shortcut settings, and that's it. That's how to find shortcut settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.